I thought I could get it to roll up.
Today we're going to be carving a warbler egg. First thing we're going to do is get the cambium cut off and get that general shape of the egg in there. Then I'm going to hand it off to Dad. Hopefully there's no hardware in the log here. You know, metal, screws, nails, fences, anything like that. I'll grab the chainsaw, let's sharpen that baby up and see what we can do. Ended up running into a few nails. No problem though, we just had to avoid them a little. We're gonna end up sanding the piece anyway, so I'll just sand over those nails. The last thing I'm gonna do is add some depth and detail to the egg by sanding out the blotches you would normally find on a warbler egg. To finish the warbler project, we're gonna add a couple of things to their log jam. We got 5 robin feet imprints we're gonna add. I'm gonna be carving those. And Dad's gonna do 3 warbler reliefs. They're gonna be in different positions. One's in a nest, one's flying. They're pretty cool. We'll show you those. You guys enjoyed that video. We put a lot of work into that one. If you did, hit that like button down below, send us a comment, and more importantly, make sure you hit that notification bell, because every time we release a new video, that's what's going to make sure you see it right away. You're going to get our newest content, our latest projects. Check it out.